Hello guys, means in this question we have to determine the resultant of the force and locate the position of the resultant. Means before solving this question we have to first resolve the into 30 Newton force in two component. Means one is this one horizontal and one vertical force. Means here the force is directed outward, and the force is here directed outward because the 30 Newton force is directed in this direction. That's why here will be what means here 30 Newton means 30 cos 60 degree, while this will be 30 sin 60 degree. Now we can solve this problem in two ways. That is, we can solve this problem either in the vector method or by using the scalar product, means scalar method. Means now I am going to solve this problem by using the scalar product. Means solving the x and y direction using scalar method. Now guys, remember one thing is that we have to use means three condition. Means we have to find here the summation of fx, summation of fy, and the moment, means the summation of moment at any point. Means I will choose the summation of moment at point C. First of all, I am going to find the summation, means summation of force fx, only the horizontal component force. Means I am taking the force plus b along this direction, and therefore look here guys, means here the 45 is acting in the opposite direction, but I have taken the only positives, means in this direction as positive, therefore the minus 45 we can write. Similarly here 30 cos 60 degree is acting in this direction, means positive, plus a means x axis, therefore we can write plus 30 cos 60 degree. Now after solving this one I will get minus 30 Newton force. Means similarly I am also finding the summation of force only the vertical, means fy component, means by vertical component and taking the positive in the upward direction. Therefore look here guys, means the force is acting 10 Newton is acting downward, that's why we write minus 10 here. Means 30 sin 60 degree is acting in the upward direction, means therefore plus 30 sin 60 degree, means plus the 60 degree. After solving this I got 15.98 Newton. Now I have to find out means the resultant, means total resultant, therefore the resultant of force is there are, since this is I am using the scalar product, therefore don't write here the vector magnitude, therefore summation of fx whole square plus summation of fy whole square. Now putting the value, means minus 30 whole square plus 15.98 whole square. After solving this one I got 34 Newton. Look here guys, means to find the resultant, we have to find out the angle at which the resultant is directed. Means therefore let alpha be the angle made by resultant, therefore tan alpha is equal to summation of fy by summation of fx, which is equal to 15.98 by minus 30 degree is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse 15.98 by minus 30 degree is equal to, I got the angle minus 28.04 degree. Now guys, I am solving the moment, means the total moment, in which the means what will be the total summation of the moment, means therefore means the summation of moment at point C. Now I am taking the summation means a clockwise as positive. You can take means anti-clockwise as positive as you wish. Now I am solving. Means look here guys. Means I have taken means the summation of moment at point C. Therefore means the total means the force which are acting means the line of action of force which are passing through this point will be the total zero. Means look here, means the only 45 means 45 newton and the 10 newton is turning now, and 54 newton meter is the couple, so it will be also added to the resultant. Means now the 45 is clockwise, is in the clockwise direction. Therefore writing clockwise as positive, 45 into total distance is 8 and 10 newton is anti-clockwise direction. Put your hand here and turn this one, means you will get in this direction minus 10 into means the perpendicular distance is 12 and 54 newton meter is the couple, so we have to also add this one, means we have to not add this one. Look here guys, means this means the couple is in the anti-clockwise direction, so we have to write here negative sign and 54 newton. So after solving I got 186 newton meter. Guys, look, one thing is that here the resultant means the result, we have to also draw the figure of resultant which are acting. Means here the means the resultant is acting at minus 28.40 degree. Means we have to determine, means look here guys, this is here, this is one x-axis and this will be what? This will be y-axis. Therefore we have to determine here, means we have to draw one resultant. Means this resultant is making the angle alpha, which is equal to minus 28.04 degree. Look here guys, means the resultant is x meter from the axis and y meter, means here from y meter vertically downward is acting. So we have to find out the means position of the resultant. So we have to first determine the value of x and y. If we got the value of x and y, this will be the final answer. Means before solving this problem, means before finding the value of x and y, look here, one thing is that if we have to find means x and x along the x-axis, then we have to write here summation of moment at point C. Means we have taken here moment at point C. So x into summation of f y, means if we have to determine the x, then write here summation of fy. If we have to find out the value of y, then we have to write fx. Means look guys, means we have already found the value of MC, means he is 186 newton and into x into and the summation of f, means summation of fy is 15.98 15.98 means after solving this one by 15.98, after solving I got 11.64 meter. Similarly we can find the value of y easily, means here tan we have already found the value of alpha, that's why tan alpha is equal to we know y by x. Therefore tan means tan the value of here the value of where is it? The value of alpha is 28.04. Therefore we will write minus 28.04 degree is equal to y by the value of what x is 11.64. Now now after solving y is equal to tan minus 28.04 degree into 11.64. Now look here guys, means after solving I got the value minus 6.178 but 78 meter, means as we know the distance is never negative, so we neglect minus and only will write 1.7. Therefore the position means the position will be the resultant, the position of resultant will be 11.64 in the x-axis at the distance from x-axis and 6.17 below, means below the y-axis, means below the here y-axis. Here we have to determine the value of x and y. So we have already found means the position, and this is the only answer, means thank you guys.